The all-new Tao Motor T-Force is a fully automatic mid-size utility-style ATV. This vehicle has many upgraded features from the previous versions, starting with the new 125cc 4-stroke engine. The new Tao Motors are built like tanks, and with the proper maintenance, they'll never let you down. The newly upgraded 19-inch front and 18-inch rear aggressive tires are exactly what you need to get through any terrain. The sleek chrome alloy rims are the perfect combination for the 8.4 horsepower engine. Riders will have no problem conquering the track or enjoying off-road fun. The all-new upgraded shocks and matching painted frame make this a comfortable and sturdy ride. The electric start and lighted display indicate the gear, running hour meter, and a reverse gear, making this ATV easy to operate for riders of every level. The max speed on this vehicle is 35 miles per hour, but with the parental speed limiter, this vehicle can be governed down to a safe max speed of 5 miles per hour. The seat height is 26 inches from the ground, resulting in a great family-size ATV that will fit many sized riders and skill levels. This Tao Motors engine has no problem pulling a grown adult, nor does it have any issue stopping with the front drum brakes and rear disc brakes. Whether you're watching the little ones putt around the front yard or you're conquering the tough wooded terrain of the mountain trails, the Tao Motor T-Force is a fantastic, versatile, affordable family ATV. Tao Motor is the largest affordable family power sports brand with over 1,000 dealers across the U.S. Rest assured that any need you have will be met. Tao Motor offers more than any other competitor, giving our dealers a distinct advantage with ATVs, dirt bikes, go-karts, scooters, from our new how-to assemble videos to an unmatched parts department, now stocking parts for every vehicle sold. Tao Motor has it all. For affordable family power sports, there's only one brand, Tao Motor.